Hi, Ashley here with hearthookhome.com, and today we are learning how to crochet the treble crochet. This is a beautiful, easy crochet stitch. It's very similar to the double crochet. We just have one extra yarn over when we start the stitch and when we end the stitch. To make the treble crochet stitch, you can start with any number of chains. There is no multiple for this stitch. When you get it as wide as you'd like it to be, you're going to do another chain 3, since that is as tall as the stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to wrap your yarn around your hook twice, and it helps if you hold it with your index finger here so that it doesn't go anywhere. You're going to find the 4th chain from your hook, so this one right here, and I like to go into the back bar. So I'm going to insert my hook right underneath that bar and pull up a loop. Now I should have those 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that's all there is to a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, hold it with your index finger, go into the next stitch or the next chain, pull up a loop. You've got those 4 loops on your hook. Do not let it get too loosey-goosey. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That is it. One thing I've learned about the treble crochet is that if you do not hold your yarn with your index finger while you're creating this, sometimes this top loop here can get very large and distorted. So just make sure that while you are wrapping those, that this loop that's on your hook stays nice and small. Hold it with your index finger, go into the next stitch, pull up that loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now when I go to make a new row of the treble crochet, let's pull this whip back out. When I go to make a new row, personally, I like to just do a chain 3 and turn. Some people, when they write, or some designers, when they write crochet patterns, they will have it where you chain 4 and turn and work into the next stitch so that that chain counts. I think it leaves an unsightly gap. This stitch is gappy enough as it is. We don't need more gaps. So what I do to start a new round or new row is chain 3. I go ahead and wrap it twice. It helps to keep that top loop from getting too loose like we talked about. Go ahead and turn. And now in that very first stitch here, we're going to go ahead and pick up that loop or pull up that loop just like that. And now we've got our 4 loops on our hook. We're ready to do the yarn over, pull through 2, 2, 2. And now you'd continue on crocheting the treble crochet all the way across. The stitch is very tall, very fun. Like I said, it is one of the tallest beginner crochet stitches, and it's very awesome. So I'm using this in one of my new patterns. Check out the video tutorial for that. Thanks for crocheting with me, and I will talk to you soon.